Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Bog Deep TV. Today we're starting on a build y'all don't even know about. I think I've kept this one secret for a while. It's gonna be a cool build. A lot of people are building these cars. At least, yes, I said car. They're building them different ways than I am, but I'm different. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. Okay, enough of that stuff. I'm probably gonna delete that. No, I won't. I'm having a conversation in my head. But so it's we're not building this. We're not doing anything to the Kia. Today, what we have to build is an NA Mazda Miata. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I somehow squeezed my fat body in a Mazda Miata and drive it around. But, so, we're not doing your normal build. We're lifting it 3 inches and putting some nice tires on it. So I've had this for a while already, and I've done some work. I've wrapped the hood in some 3M carbon fiber vinyl. You can tell because I did it myself because there's bubbles and everything everywhere. It looks okay-ish. Wrapped the trunk. So those two areas, they had a lot of peeling, and eventually I'm gonna wrap the whole thing. I got that vinyl for free, so I was like, give it a shot. By the way, thanks to my neighbor for hooking me up with the vinyl. I haven't really done much else. Had unit speakers so I can actually listen to music driving down the road. But I guess without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this because I gotta go to work later on, and I want to get as much done as this today as I can. So for now, y'all are gonna get that view. But again, guess the right size the first time. So let's see if we can crack this bolt loose.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce.
Alright, so I got the other side done. I went ahead and shut the camera off so I could figure out what I'm doing. But so here's what happened. So I don't know, I can't really see too well in there. With the castle nuts on this bolt, only using the upper and the lower ball joints. Person who beat the retaining pins in, beat them in. So far, I have no way to get any grip on them to get them out, no matter what I do. So what I end up doing is dropping those bolts out, dropping this whole arm, doing it that way. Is it the right way? Not via manufacturer specs. Is it the way that works? Yeah, it works. As you can tell, this side is nicely coated with all kinds of fluid because I got a bit of a power steering leak. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on this side. Everything that has to come loose is soaked down with some kind of penetrating, loosening up fluid. So I'm hoping this side goes a lot easier.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I win the crown. I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Y'all might just have to take my word for what I do. I might see if I can do this. Y'all where you're at. All right, let's see how she turns. Well, for the most part, everything's trimmed enough. Just that back fender I gotta beat in some more somehow. I might have to borrow a bigger sledgehammer. There she be, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Oh god, it's so freaking cool. I love it. Absolutely love it. So, see if I can barely see the screen. So massage in there, might massage more later, but I want to get the alignment done so I got a little more idea of where the tire's going to sit better. She just looks so cool. So you can tell front tires, back tire don't look too bad. Got a little outpoke, but honestly, not English, not much more than the Humvee does. Just enjoy this for a second, ladies and gentlemen. A lifted Miata, a Humvee, and a Kia EV6 electric. You know what this is? Bog Deep TV is what it is. It looks amazing. What do you guys think? All right, I'm beat, I'm tired, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm burnt, sunburnt, I'm covered in dirt, rust, everything else. I think I'm burnt actually from hot metal and hot plastic. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, telephone, tell a friend, tell a lot about where you've been, tell them about Bog Deep TV and the lifted Miata on mud terrains. You can see that anywhere else. Bye. Yep.